Hey, I'm Jake. This is Daily Stock Market, your quick daily catch-up on everything moving in the market. Nvidia's AI potential is still flying under the radar, and Nike just took a serious hit. Let's get through this quick because your time's important. Alright, here's the thing. Nvidia's making waves with its AI investments. Patrick Kelly is all over it, saying AI could be Nvidia's golden ticket. This company is diving deep into tech trends like it's their last game-changing move. Honestly, if you're ignoring Nvidia right now, you might want to rethink that. Then there's the oil mess thanks to the Iran conflict. The IEA mentioned the global oil supply could get even tighter. They might need to release more reserves to keep things under control. It's a hot mess, to say the least. Lastly, Apple's facing some big questions as it hits its 50th birthday. Succession plans, their role in AI, and keeping the brand fresh are all on the table. The market's skeptical, and the stock's reflecting that. If you ask me, Apple needs a strong second-half-century strategy to stay on top. So that's where we stand. Lots of moves, big questions ahead. So, Nike's stock just got hammered, dropping over 13% to a rough $45.87. Investors are freaking out a bit as Nike approaches an earnings report and faces global market uncertainties. You might care because this dip could indicate wider issues or present a buying opportunity. Andrei Jikh's got some strong opinions on Nike. He sees a worrying trend where Nike's issues could be part of a bigger picture involving the diminishing influence of the United States globally. Andrei's talking about geopolitical shifts, altering financial systems, and possibly affecting companies like Nike. He thinks investors need to think twice about their strategies given these changes. Andrei's not outright panicking, but he's definitely cautious, suggesting that Nike's not the same slam dunk it used to be. If you're holding Nike, Andrei might say it's time to evaluate how geopolitical factors could reshape U.S. market leaders. Intel's up over 6%, hitting $46.84. They're rallying on strong performance news and future tech investments. People care because this gain could mark a turning point for Intel, given its recent struggles in the competitive chip market.
All right, quick update on SoFi, which just inched up over 1% to $16.04. You know why I love SoFi? They're shaking up fintech with fresh takes on banking and loans. This one's got my attention because if rates drop, SoFi could absolutely crush it in the fintech space.
Stealth wealth investing is sounding some alarms on SoFi. They talk about potential challenges lurking beneath the surface like financial stability and regulatory pressures. They point out that while SoFi's growth is impressive, these issues might clip its wings if not addressed. Stealth Wealth warns that although the current price seems tempting, there's a risk that SoFi needs to navigate through these challenges smartly. If you're in the SoFi camp like me, it's a reminder to keep an eye on the bigger picture and not just the headline growth numbers. All right, that's your wrap for today. Like and subscribe to Daily Stock Market with Jake if you want this every day. Seriously, it helps a ton. Honestly, I'm still not totally sold on Apple's future strategy, but we'll see. See you tomorrow.